The initial step involves measuring 2 cups of dry macaroni. The measured macaroni is then placed into a bowl, ready for cooking. Salt is added to water in a pot to enhance the flavor of the pasta. The salted water is brought to a boil on the stovetop. The macaroni is cooked in the boiling water for 7 to 8 minutes until it reaches a soft, palatable texture. The initial step involves heating 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. This creates a medium for flavor extraction from aromatics. Next, add 1 chopped onion to the heated oil, followed by 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Sauté the onion and garlic mixture until it achieves a golden color. This process infuses the oil with the onion and garlic's flavors, forming the base for the dish. Chopped capsicum is added to the pan. Chopped carrot is also added to the pan. The capsicum and carrot are combined with the sautéed onion and garlic. The vegetables are cooked for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. This step introduces both texture and nutritional value to the dish. The sauce base begins with a mixture of tomato ketchup. Salt is added to the mixture to taste, enhancing the overall flavor profile. Black pepper is incorporated at ½ teaspoon to introduce a subtle spice. Chili flakes can be added optionally at ½ teaspoon for those who prefer a spicy kick. Boiled macaroni is transferred to the pan containing the vegetable and sauce mixture. The macaroni is added directly to the sauce and vegetable base. The ingredients are then thoroughly mixed together. This mixing process ensures even distribution of the sauce. The goal is to coat each piece of macaroni uniformly with the sauce. Achieving a creamy texture in macaroni dishes often involves adding specific ingredients. Mayonnaise can be incorporated to impart a smooth, rich consistency. Alternatively, cream can be used to achieve a similar effect. Typically, about 2 tablespoons of either mayonnaise or cream are sufficient. These ingredients should be stirred thoroughly into the macaroni mixture. This ensures even distribution and the desired creamy texture throughout the dish. Grated cheese, approximately a 1/4 cup, is sprinkled evenly over the macaroni. The macaroni and cheese mixture is then cooked for a brief period, typically 1 to 2 minutes. This cooking process continues until the cheese is fully melted and integrated. The melted cheese forms a rich, cheesy topping, completing the dish, which is then served hot.